In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the continue extension with your Visual Studio Code. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to open Visual Studio Code. I already opened Visual Studio Code, and from the left side of Visual Studio Code, we'll see like this type of icon, which is called extensions. We just need to click here and it will open like this. So we can increase the size so that we can easily read everything. So anyway, so here we just need to type the text which is called continue and hit enter key of our keyboard. Very shortly we'll see all the extension related to that one. If we click here, we'll see this is the extension which we need to install. Continue open source AI code agent. So there is the install button. To start the installation, we just need to click here, and very shortly it will bring this window. Do you trust this publisher? Continue. So it is asking whether am I sure that I can install it or not, like that. Yes, I want to install. Basically it just give me warning the details. So we have to use this option, trust, publish and install. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will start the installation. And here you will see a progress bar is going, and also it is showing installing. So once it is installed successfully, you will see this type of options will be appeared, like disable or uninstall. That means it is installed properly, and now we can use this thing. Once it is installed successfully, you will see another icon will be appeared, and if you move your cursor over there, you will see continue. If you click here, it will bring that extension continue. Now from here we can use the model. So here basically right now there is no model because I didn't configure anything. Once I configure some model, then we can use those model with this continue extension, and we can do our coding without paying any subscription for like Claude or Gemini, something like that. And there is no rate limit. We can actually like ask it or ask the solution or solve anything, any coding issue, anything is we can do basically. And that's it. In this way we can easily install continue this extension with our Visual Studio Code.